Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere o, Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere. Dere jigi 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 adajụkwala m, Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere m. Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere. Dere jigi 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 adajụkwala Chineke. Caro?
Chief. Good evening.
Hello, Tirim. Good evening. Hello, Tir.
Fine.
Bible, where are you headed to?
I'm heading to church to see if God can bless me with a husband. I've waited for too long.
I'm need to go and I'm going to go and I go back. I go back to Juba. And then it's your front going to game up running menopause. And anyway, they will leave him when I'm Agrams from Minimpo. I take a long mini waterproof. Nanga cock, Tamas, Ngams from Minimpo. Mekwanakai. I have a message for you.
Always very funny.
Lepanyama Wago, you got a church gate today. It is not only inside the church you can get a husband.
Continue.
Yes! Husband the Mabrunime your DM. Inbox. Go back to your inboxes and reply chats. Reply messages. There are a lot of husbands. Husbands opportunity Mabrunga nature. But because you are so pompous, you look down on them.
You be mumu.
You were pretty here on a like Jacagoriote. Gnachon canon by my. Go inside your inbox. Reply your chats. The same people you are going to the church to go and look for, they are the same people in your inbox. The difference is because how you quote, not a church ever. Inbox had very good, straight and direct. I love you. Once you reply, and then when Hannah came with ishi, before you know it, game up into matrimony. A word is enough for the wise. Use your phone, inbox wisely. It's not only to go and check up fashion. Check on your baroto, check on your marriage, your break. Check on your dash. I get the breast, I get the head, I be her house material. No! Don't always check on those ones. There are more important things you can benefit from your inbox and from internet.
Continue.
Than the other way around. May the pieces of the Lord be unto your heart. Ejoku, all we want. I took my leave. Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere o, Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere. Dere jigi 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 adajụkwala, Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere. Dere jigi 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 adajụkwala o.
Hi. Iwe. There is sense in what this man just said. There is serious sense in what he has just said now. Social media is not only for social activities. So I can actually get a husband from social media, from my inbox, messengers and all the rest of them. And I'm always going to church every day to look for husband. When husband is just there waiting for me. I think it's time for me to go and begin to reply all the messages in my inbox.